Agile marketing, using Scrum for creative teams. Agile marketing is an approach. It values flexibility, collaboration, and customer feedback in marketing. It involves breaking projects into smaller tasks. It requires prioritizing work based on value. And it needs regularly reviewing and adapting strategies to meet changing market conditions. Agile marketing's core principles are like those of agile software development. Both value teamwork, communication, and iterative improvements. Agile methodology in marketing strategy. Agile marketing teams aim to deliver value to customers. They do this through continuous testing and learning. It means to set clear goals, create a backlog, and work in short sprints. Marketers can use cross-functional teams and daily stand-ups. They help stay on track and meet customer needs. These meetings will discuss progress and challenges. Benefits of using Scrum for creative teams. A key benefit of Scrum for creative teams is its speed. It adapts quickly to changing markets and customer preferences. Scrum's iterative nature lets teams test ideas, gather feedback, and adjust in real time. It leads to better campaigns, happier customers, and more efficient resource use. Agile tools and techniques for marketing. Many agile tools and techniques can help marketing teams. They can streamline processes and improve collaboration. Agile ceremonies, from sprint planning to retrospectives, ensure structure and accountability in marketing. Also, agile coaches can help teams with agile adoption. They can foster a culture of continuous improvement. Conclusion. In conclusion, agile marketing, using Scrum for creative teams, is a powerful framework. It boosts project management, teamwork, and collaboration.